Welcome back to Mind Blue Technologies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's in high demand in the world of business intelligence and data analytics, SAP Analytics Cloud. The SAP Analytics Cloud training program is designed to provide comprehensive instruction and hands-on experience in using SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, for business intelligence and data analytics. This program is ideal for individuals, professionals, and organizations seeking to harness the power of SAC to make informed decisions, visualize data, and drive business performance. Module 1: Introduction to SAP Analytics Cloud. Module 1.1: Overview of SAP Analytics Cloud, Introduction to SAP Analytics Cloud, History and Evolution of SAC, SAP Analytics in the context of SAP's analytics portfolio. Module 1.2: Key Features and Benefits, Exploring the core features of SAC, Understanding the benefits of using SAC for data analytics, Use cases and industries where SAC excels. Module 1.3: Navigating the SAC Interface, Tour of the SAC User Interface, Navigation Tips and Shortcuts, Customizing the Workspace to suit your needs. Module 1.4: Access and User Management, User Roles and Permissions in SAC, User Provisioning and Authentication, Best Practices for Managing User Access. Module 2: Data Integration and Modeling. Module 2.1: Data Source Connections, Connecting SAC to various data sources, Configuring data source connections, Handling data source credentials and security. Module 2.2: Data Import and Transformation, Data Import Methods and Considerations, Data Transformation Techniques, Data Preparation for Analysis. Module 2.3: Data Modeling and Preparation, Understanding data modeling concepts in SAC, Creating data models for analysis, Schema design and data modeling best practices. Module 2.4: Creating data models and data sets, Hands-on exercises to create data models, dataset creation and management, data model documentation and metadata. Module 3: Data Visualization and Reporting. Module 3.1: Building Interactive Dashboards, Dashboard Design Principles, Adding and Arranging Widgets, Creating Responsive and Interactive Dashboards. Module 3.2: Creating Compelling Data Visualizations, Exploring Various Chart Types and Visualization Options, Formatting and Styling Visualizations, Effective Use of Colors and Themes. Module 3.3: Customizing Charts and Widgets, Custom Chart Creation using Scripting, Widget Interactivity and Scripting Options, Best Practices for Widget Customization. Module 3.4: Applying Filters and Variables, Filter Creation and Management, Dynamic Filtering based on user selections, using variables for dynamic data manipulation. Module 4: Planning and Budgeting. Module 4.1: Introduction to Planning and Forecasting, Understanding the Importance of Planning in SAC, Key Concepts in Financial Planning and Budgeting, Use Cases for Planning Models. Module 4.2: Creating Planning Models, Building Planning Models from Scratch, Setting up Planning Hierarchies, Data Input Forms and Templates. Module 4.3: Data Input and Allocation, Entering and Editing Planning Data, Data Allocation Methods, Workflow and Approval Processes. Module 4.3: Collaboration and Workflow Management, Collaboration Features in SAC, Workflow Setup and Management, Monitoring and Tracking Planning Processes. Module 5: Predictive Analytics. Module 5.1: Introduction to Predictive Analytics in SAC, Overview of Predictive Analytics Concepts, Use Cases for Predictive Modeling in SAC, Benefits of Integrating Predictive Insights. Module 5.2: Building Predictive Models, Data Preparation for Predictive Analytics, Model Creation using SAC's predictive capabilities, Model Evaluation and Selection. Module 5.3: Analyzing and Interpreting Results, Interpreting Predictive Model Results, Visualizing and Communicating Insights, Incorporating Predictive Findings into Reports. Module 5.4: Incorporating Predictive Insights into Reports, Integrating Predictive Widgets into SAC Reports, Storytelling with Predictive Analytics, Practical Applications of Predictive Insights. Module 6: Data Storytelling. Module 6.1 Story Creation and Layout, Creating Data Stories in SAC, Story Layout and Design Principles, Adding Chapters and Sections. Module 6.2 Adding Narrative and Context, Writing Compelling Narratives for Data Stories, Contextualizing Data with Text and Annotations, Storytelling Best Practices. Module 6.3 Storyboarding Best Practices, Planning and Organizing Your Data Story, Creating a Narrative Flow, Engaging Your Audience Through Storytelling. Module 7 Advanced Analytics and Machine Learning. Module 7.1 Advanced Analytics Capabilities, Exploring SAC's Advanced Analytics Tools, Statistical Analysis and Calculations, Geospatial Analytics in SAC. Module 7.2 Integrating Machine Learning Algorithms, Leveraging Machine Learning within SAC, Building and Training Machine Learning Models, Real-World Applications of Machine Learning. Module 7.3 Predictive Planning and Forecasting, Advanced Forecasting Techniques in SAC, Combining Predictive Analytics with Planning, Forecast Accuracy Evaluation. Module 7.4 Anomaly Detection and Trend Analysis, Identifying anomalies in data, trend analysis and pattern recognition, using anomalies and trends for decision-making. Module 8 Data Security and Governance. Chapter 8.1 Security and Access Controls, SAC Security Model and Architecture, Role-Based Access Control, Data Level Security. Chapter 8.2 Data Encryption and Compliance, Data Encryption Best Practices, Compliance with Data Privacy Regulations, Data Masking and Anonymization. Chapter 8.3 Audit Logging and Monitoring, Monitoring User Activities and Changes, Audit Logs and Reporting, Detecting and Responding to Security Incidents. Module 9 Administration and Maintenance. Module 9.1 System Configuration and Settings, System Configuration Options, Performance Optimization Settings, Setting up Email Notifications and Alerts. Module 9.2 Backup and Restore Procedures, Creating Data Backups and Snapshots, Disaster Recovery Planning, Data Restoration and Rollback Processes. Module 9.3 Performance Optimization, Identifying and Addressing Performance Bottlenecks, Query Optimization Techniques, Scalability Considerations. Module 9.4 Troubleshooting Common Issues, Common SAC Issues and Error Messages, Troubleshooting and Resolution Steps, SAC Community and Support Resources. Module 10 Integration with SAP and Other Tools. Module 10.1 Integration Options with SAP Systems, Integration Possibilities with SAP ERP and other SAP, Data Extraction and Synchronization, Real-Time Data Integration Scenarios. Module 10.2 Connecting to Other Data Sources, Connecting SAC to Non-SAP Data Sources, Data Connectors and Adapters, Data Blending and Federation. Module 10.3 Extending SAC Capabilities with Third-Party Applications, Integrating Third-Party Applications and Services, Use Cases for External Application Integration, API Usage and Customization. Module 11 Real-World Projects and Case Studies, Hands-on projects based on real business scenarios, analyzing and solving practical business problems, best practices for project implementation. Module 12 Certification Preparation and Exam, Tips and Strategies for SAP Analytics Cloud Certification, Practice Exams and Mock Assessments, Exam Registration and Guidelines. Target Audience. This training program is suitable for business analysts, data analysts, BI professionals, finance and planning managers, IT professionals, data scientists, anyone interested in leveraging SAC for data analytics. Join the SAP Analytics Cloud training program at Mindblue Technologies to gain the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in the world of data analytics and business intelligence using SAP Analytics Cloud. Thanks for watching. Have questions or want to share your own SAP Analytics Cloud journey? Leave a comment down below, we'd love to hear from you.